Hey guys, it's Justin from Olsen Motorsports. We got a quick video today. We have a unboxing of the first ever JRZ AT Pros for this 2021 Sequoia TRD Pro. Let's go ahead and pop this box open and we can see what kind of goodies we have inside. So, inside here we got pretty nice catalog, all the AT line stuff. They do have this for the Tundra as well, and of course for the Raptor, because we have them on our Raptor. You go through all the features on here. You have compression, rebound adjustment, you have an external reservoir, of course, so we can carry more fluid and nitrogen pressure. Swivel hoses, high grade anodized aluminum, steel for all of the mounts, and heavy duty spherical bearings. Alright, let's get over to the cool stuff. See, what do we have in here? I think these are going to be the front dampers. I'm just going to rip this open. Wow. These are super nice. I have to say, JRZ has some really good machining. Let me go ahead and here we got the top hat. I think this one's a little different than the OEM one. The OEM one has studs, this one has bolts. Not a big deal. And then these have eye-box springs on the front. And these are completely ride height adjustable. These particular front shocks are a 2-inch lift, already set up on here. And let's have a look at the canister. This canister's super nice. Nice anodized red aluminum. You have swivels on here. And this is the compression adjustment. Nice. And then of course the rebound adjustment's right here. So these are two-way adjustable dampers, so you have the compression and the rebound. So really nice. Let's go ahead and open up the rears. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand. This is what we got inside for the rear box. Same manual with the AT line. Bunch of really cool stickers. And here are the rear shocks. These are super nice. Again, have the rebound adjustment right here. And it's nice that they have a dust boot just to keep the shaft super clean, especially since this is the AT line, you're going to be off-roading. Some nice spherical Heim bushings or bearings. Move this out of the way. One thing to note in these AT line JRZs, they have some really heavy duty lines compared to the other ones, because these are charged with a lot more nitrogen pressure than, say, a race car or street cars. This one's good for 350 bar, which is a lot. 5,070 psi. So underneath those shocks, have some really nice canister mounts. So we're gonna mount these canisters. Assume this is probably for the front. And then some clamps. Awesome. Well, there you have it. There's an unboxing of the first ever JRZs for a Toyota Sequoia. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to comment what you would like the next video to be. Thank you.